Hey guys, just doing a little bit more work on the speedometer. I managed to pot the OLED, and I printed out a case for it and wrapped it with carbon wrap. It's not the best, but it'll do. I just potted it. I'm just waiting for it to cure. I think what I'm going to do for mounting this, it's so light that I'll just basically take a thick tie wrap, pull strap or whatever, and use this potting and glue it to the back for one-time use and just tighten it down. It's not going to come loose, so I'm not too worried about it. And this stuff here dries as a rubber, so it'll sit against the bars and keep it from spinning all over the place. I got the wire hooked up to it, ready to go. Printing out a case now, which I got a lid for, as you can see. This one here, the reason I chose this print is because most of the ones online leave the headers of the arduino exposed, which I don't want. I want to be sort of sealed up. This box here just has the USB dongle hanging out of it, that's it. So these are all within, so I can basically drill holes in the side of the box, run the wires in, and then glue them around the edges to keep the moisture out. Obviously it's gray. That's all I have left. Hoping I can get it done. I might have to do it in 2 different colors. But it's getting along there. It's at 7%. Once it's done, put the unit in the box, wire it up, hot glue all the connections. And one thing I also want to do is I want to add to the code. Actually, I came up with it myself, but apparently you can do it with these. Is I want to add a tone to the unit when you turn it on. Maybe a 3-tone tone to let me know that that the bike's powered on. So I'm going to try using these. If not, I'll try and use different types of speakers, see which is the loudest. But I don't want it a constant tone. I just wanted like a beep beep just to let me know that I turned the bike on, that it's on and running. So that's the next project before I seal it up. But yeah, everything is coming together great. By the time I'm done, probably today or tomorrow, I will have a complete unit assembled, and you just basically drop it on the bike and it's ready to go. Later guys.